Hi kids, can you find a word in this grid? Yeah, F double O D, food. It's food. Okay, what do you do when you are hungry? Yes, we eat. Okay, why do we need food? We need food to live. Let's see the food we eat. Food gives us energy to work. Food also helps us grow. Food makes us strong and healthy. Okay, do you know where does food come from? Yeah, from animals and plants. Okay, plants and animals are the main sources of food. Let's see what are the plant products. Fruits, vegetables, grains and pulses. Let's see what are the animal products. Meat, eggs, seafood, milk, cheese and butter. Okay, let's do some activities. Where does food come from? It's a matching activity. First one, butter. Yeah, from animals. What about green gram? Yeah, from plants. What about eggs? Yeah, we get eggs from animals. What about corn? Yeah, it's from plants. What about apple? Yeah, from plants. Fish from animals. Carrot from plants. What about milk? From animals. We get milk from goat and cow. Okay. Mark true or false. First one, food gives us energy. Is it correct? Food gives us energy. Yeah, it's correct. Second one, mango is an animal product. Is it an animal product? No, it's a plant product. Third one, we get our food from plants and animals. Is it correct? Yeah, we get our food from plants and animals. Fourth one, fruits are plant products. Is it correct? Yeah, fruits are the plant products. Okay children, thanks for watching.